want to go down with it, go back down to that A, diminished 7. All right, hey, this is JD and FIA. Today we're going to talk about preacher chords. All right, now, it's one of them things you're expected to know. I remember the first time I was in a situation where I didn't know how to play preacher chords, and it was very humiliating situation. So I'm going to give you some basics you can do in the key of F sharp, G flat. All right, there are other videos out there in other keys, not a lot in this key, so just want to give you a couple. All right, so first thing we're going to do, the 1. All right, so our scale 1, 2, A flat sharp 2, B flat sharp 3, B is our 4, D flat, C sharp is our 5, E flat is our 6, F is our 7, back to F sharp. Other notable notes that we're going to need to know, pretty much all of them, our flat 7 is E, our sharp 11 or our sharp 4 or our flat 5 or whatever you want to call it is our C, our minor third is our A, I don't know if you can see down there, and the G is our sharp 1. So we may be using pretty much all these notes. All right, so I'm just going to show you a couple different notes, chords rather, you can use. All right, so a couple of different chords I'm going to show you. All right, so for your 1 chord, you can never hit that 1 enough times, all right? That F sharp octaves, you can never hit it enough, all right? So anytime you get that opportunity, you want to be hitting those octaves, all right? So that's the first thing. All right, a couple of chords you can use for that. You can use, show you simple. You can use this chord here, G flat 13. All right, so I got my G flat, D flat, and G flat on my left hand. Right hand, B flat, E flat, E, G flat. All right, that's one chord you can use. You can hit the G flat and then come up and stab this right here. So I'm playing G flat octaves, real down low, G flat, F sharp, and then I'm gonna play with the left hand E, A flat, and B flat. All right, those 3 notes. And my right hand, I'm gonna play a B, D flat, E flat, G flat. So that's a good starting chord. All right, as soon as they get the repping up. So hit the bass, chord, octaves. All right, then you can go to your 2. All right, so my 2, I'm playing A flat. So what we're doing, that move there. All right, so my 2, I'm playing A flat, octaves. Right hand, I'm playing G flat, B, E flat, G flat. Yeah. All right. Then I'm gonna go to a F sharp diminished or A diminished 7. It's all the same. So A on my left hand, right hand, A, C, E flat, G flat. That's that diminished 7 chord. Same. It doesn't matter what version I play it in. It's gonna be that same chord. All right. So some people like to play it 5. You can play it 5 notes if you want to. I just like to play it 4 notes like that. So you want to hit the 1. All right. When I get to that 3, play a B flat, F, B flat. My left hand, right hand, A flat, D flat, G flat. Alright, when I get to that 4, I'm going to play a B9. Left hand, B, G flat, B. Right hand, A, D flat, E flat, G flat. So just with those chords. All right, we got our 1. Our 4. All right, now we got options when we get to our 4. We can take our 4 and go. All right, or we can take our 4, go up. All right, so let's go up first. 4. All right, we're gonna go back to that same diminished chord we played with A, but we're gonna play with C in the bass now. All right, so instead of an A diminished 7, we're playing a C diminished 7. When you get to that 5, you can play, I'll give you 2 different chords. You can play a 4 chord in your right hand over D flat. So I got D flat in my left hand. Right hand a B major with an add 9. So B, D flat, E flat, G flat. So we got, sorry, I messed up. Or you can play this chord here. B flat, it's like a B flat minor 9. D flat, A flat, D flat left hand. Right hand, B, E flat, E, A flat. Alright. Back to the 1. You could also play that same chord over the 1 sometimes if you want. Alright. If you want to go down with it, go back down to that A, diminished 7. So you got 4, you're gonna go down, so A diminished 7, down to that same 2, but when you play the 2 this time, you're gonna, instead of playing the B, you're gonna play the C. You're gonna make an A flat 7. When you go to that 5, yeah. When you go to that 5, you're gonna play D flat, A flat, D flat. Right hand, F, B, E flat, G flat. If you can't reach that far, you can just go back to that 5 chord I showed you earlier. That F, you know, kind of makes it. So you got, it gives that leading tone for the F. All right, and then back to your 1. All right, you can also do this chord. I'll give you a bonus chord. 4, 3, 2. All right, that's that tritone sub for the D flat. All right, so I'm playing G, G on my left hand, right hand G, B, E flat, G flat, and then to my 1. However you want to play that 1. If you're gonna go to that 6, you play a E flat left hand with a G diminished 7. Right hand G, B flat, D flat, E flat, or E. G, B flat, D flat, E. All right, so we're on a 4, 5. I'm sorry, 4, sharp 4, 5. That's gonna take you to your 2. So then you got 4, sharp 4, 5 to that 6, the E flat 7, 2, 5. Let's go 1 here. All right. All right. So yeah, just want to give you a couple chords to do if the preacher expects you to play and you don't know what you're doing. All right, so a few chords. Remember, just go 2, diminish, 2 and 3. All right, you can go to your 4, and you can put these in different patterns and different sequences. These are just the chords. You can put them, switch them, and move them around and create different, patterns if you want to. All right, so yeah, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.